Or on the computer. Is this recording? All right, fine. All right, so number one, you should look at the PowerPoint slide under the GitHub. All right, so in the GitHub, let me actually tell you that this part is multiple inheritance. Let me actually tell you those, first tell you what are the 10-pointer. This is for multiple inheritance. Please. Okay, good. I'm here. I'm actually going to go here, and then I got. Okay, first, let me tell you what this is. Let me use the text box. The first set of 5-pointer is the address of each of the variable. So essentially what we have is EA1, which is employees A1 variable, employees account variable. And then we have E1, and then we have SA1, and then we have S1, and then we have a W1. Okay, so let me make it bigger so I will fit exactly perfect like this. So by the way, when you print the result, don't just print the address themselves, because the TA, they have no idea that what's the meaning of this address. So please put at least, say this is address for EA1. So then the TA will know that this address is for what. So this 5 address is the first set of address, 5 for multiple inheritance, meaning that the address of the let me clear this one. The address for that variable, and how do you know it's correct? You will see that this 5 address, they all should be different. They all separate from each other with 8. Okay, some of the architecture might be between, some of this might be 16. So as long as for this 5 address, you actually got different result, it should good. And it should follow this order. The EA1 is the smallest, then E1, and then S1. Okay, the other side is this 5-pointer to the 5 object. What are the 5 object? Work study object, student object, the student's account object, and employee object, and employee's account object. This 5 object. So let me tell you that the 3 objects should be the same, and the other 2 should be the same. Let me actually type it up to tell you which 3 should be the same. So work study pointer and employee casting of work study pointer and the account pointer, that's employee's account pointer, WS, PDR. This 3 set of pointer, this 3 for multiple inheritance, they should be the same. And then for the other 2, they should be the same. What's the other 2? The other 2 is basically is S student pointer and account S pointer. They should be. Oh, by the way, sorry. For multiple inheritance, yes, that's the case. Okay, because we have 2 different accounts. Okay, so these are the 10-pointer, 5-pointer over here, and then 5-pointer here. This set of 5-pointer, they should all be different. This 5-pointer, they should have only 2 values. Either you belong to the first group of 3, or you belong to the second group of 2. For most of the architecture, this 2, the difference should be 16. Okay, so each of this is 8. You see that they're actually separated by 2 blocks, which is 16. Okay. Okay, let me actually do very quickly for virtual inheritance. Then you can see that the second part is a little bit different. Let me do this again. Insert new slide. And I'm going to move it here. Okay, so I'm actually going to get this part, copy this part over here. So again, over here, I have, this time I only have a 4 variable. So the first variable is actually E1. In fact, there's only one A1, so that's why I actually don't need this one. And then W1, and then I have A1 because they share the A1. So those are the 4 pointer to employee E1, S1, W1, A1. So it doesn't have a 2A1. And this 4 need to be different. For most of the architecture, between E1 and S1, they should be 16. Between S1, W1 should be 8. Between W1, A1, they should be 8. Okay, that's for virtual inheritance. And over here, that's the same thing, but the grouping is a little bit different. Let me actually copy this over here. So over here, as shown here, the first, oh, not this one, sorry. Can I copy this? Control C, Control V. All right. So for this is a virtual inheritance. For WS and the EWS, they should be the same. This two should be the same. And they should be the first red arrow, I put it here. And the second group is this one. The second group only have one pointer, which is SWS, which is the student pointer. And the third one is only the account pointer. So it's actually not even S or E because you only have a 1. So this one should be over here, should be just account pointer over here. Okay, you can see that for virtual inheritance, the 4 pointer got separate because we only have 4 objects in the virtual inheritance, only 1 account. That's why the difference between virtual inheritance and multiple inheritance. So for virtual inheritance, we have only 4 pointer, there's 4 object, work study, employee, student, and account. And the work study and employee, they should be the same. And then student is plus 16. And then you plus another 24, you're going to get A, the A pointer, the account pointer. Okay. So this 2 slide hopefully help you to kind of recognize everything you need to worry about. All right. Any question? Any quick question? I'm going to upload this video very soon. As soon as I got home. Yes, please. I'm back. Oh, okay. Okay. I will send an announcement. I will not take any participation credit next week. Yeah. Yeah. As long as you spend time feeling Thanksgiving, that's good for me. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving. For those of you who won't, I won't see you next week. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. Next week is just as long as you ate some turkey, I won't penalize you for anything. Okay. A poor turkey. I mean, I discriminate turkey. I'm sorry about that. All right. So I'm going to turn off this and I'm going to upload and I need to go actually.